Kia Picanto is doing off-roading today. Kia off-roading. Off-roading. Doing off-roading vandaag. Off-roading. And we're doing it with ease. Check the car. If you don't have the buggy, you use what you have. I'm using what I have, but I'm using the buggy. Off-roading. Off-roading. Like a tough stone, eh? Yes, this is me and Kia Picanto. You are correct. We're doing off-roading with the Kia Picanto. It's true. If you don't have a buggy, you have to use what you have. Otherwise, you'll miss on good and wonderful opportunities. Me and my queen were driving to one of the Cape Nature Reserve. I was not prepared, to tell you the truth, about the 2 hours of gravel road, but it was a wonderful experience. So, welcome and keep watching. It is a nice experience. 4x4 off-roading. To tell you the truth, I'm not an expert on off-roading. This was my first time doing the longest off-roading that I've done with a small car. What I've learned, I've watched a couple of YouTubers who are doing off-roading, especially in outside overseas with the small cars. I've watched one was doing off-roading with the R8, Audi R8, and a couple of more. So I've keep up of learn on know how to maneuver, having your tire being sliced by the stone. You just have to keep your eyes on the road, especially try to run away from the stones that you see, either the stone that will be up or on the road. Just don't try to find your tire touching those stones, because it might look small but it can slice your tire. So I was driving on the road, on this covered road, try maneuvering all those, and if I see that my tire won't be able to keep up on the big stone or the gravel, I'll just slow down and just travel with the 20 or 10. But where I see I can manage, I just do the acceleration. But my speed was between 60 and less, not more than 60 kilometers per hour. And apart from that, this was great. This was a wonderful experience. I never had any tire puncture or any flat tire or any form of incidents on this road. I kept it. I was patient. I was not on a hurry. The only time I was on a hurry is when I was going, because I was late. The check-in was about 4 and I arrived after 5. So but returning, I learned the road, I learned how to maneuver that. So I was more focused than when I was more focused and with more experienced. But if you want to do it, just do it, and with ease. Let's keep on checking. And with this kind of the road, especially the downhill, the tires were not made for this kind of the road. The car would be slippery, and you just have to hold on the brake and then keep your gear on the low level. Or normally I put my gear on the neutral. I don't just put it on gear, but it is advisable that you keep it on low gear. But besides that, I think things I need to change will be brake pads, because there's a squeak noise. It doesn't happen often, but most of the time when I brake, when I do a hard brake. But besides that, I think we did well on the road. We did quite well. There was a time when I was speeding on the clean road. I was speeding. I think I was doing 80 or 60, and the car was almost slide, on outside the road, but I just kept the steering so tight. I was so scared. But I learned my lesson that you don't speed on such roads. It doesn't matter how clean it looks, especially if you don't have a right tires. You might end up being outside the road if you're not speeding without caution. Yeah, that's one of the lesson that I've learned. Not tough, but yeah, I managed. So this is the video that I've made. And yeah, this one that I was driving here, it was long. It was a long downhill. You'll see the first video. You see there is a road there, and it's still going, so small, but it's a very, very, very downhill. It doesn't look as a downhill on the picture, on the video, but yeah, literally it is a downhill. But apart from that, it's Kia Picanto. It's a great car to have. If you're doubting, I'm here again to tell you, just buy it. If you afford it, buy it. If you afford second hand, buy it. Check if everything's okay. The engine, I think it has a good engine. Buy it, and yeah, just enjoy. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. I think it will be the end of this video. Let me know if you want more of this kind of the video testing the Kia Picanto. This was amazing.